everyone, it's Kylie from Stampers Workshop. I'm an independent Stampin' Up demonstrator in Australia, and today I wanted to show you what to do when you get your cling stamp sets, because there is some assembly required. There's a couple of ways you can do this. So when you open it up, you'll find there's your label sheet and your stamp sheet. So you need to put them together. You don't have to, you can just use them, they'll stick as they are. You just take off the backing and you can stamp them, put them like that, and you don't need to use these stickers if you don't want to, but I tend to find that they're quite useful. So there's a couple ways you can do it. One is you can pull the backing off like that, lift up just the top protective layer, and then carefully, hope my head doesn't get in the way, position the stamp in the spot. I usually then rub it over with my finger and pull it up, and voila, you've got it. And then you just stick it back into your case. Or what I've been doing a lot these days is, move that out the way, grabbing a block, lifting up both of the pieces, so you remove the sticker from the sheet, and then put that down onto your block. Then take off, this is when it doesn't help to have cut your fingernails, take off the backing, find the stamp that you're going to add the label to, place it down, and then you just line it up. Done, ready to stamp. And then you just peel it off and you're good to go. So there's a couple of ways that you can do the layers. The other thing before I go is sometimes you'll find with an image like this, it's the mouse holding the balloon, you'll find there's another stamp inside. So you'll find that there's an interesting shape of rubber around it. I often will keep something like this. I usually get rid of the offcuts, but sometimes I might keep something like this because it can create a really interesting pattern and it's fun to do as a background. So think about sort of when you're pulling these pieces apart, whether you can use them for something else. I know a lot of people actually, when they put everything back in so that they know that they've always got everything, and that's how they store it. But I don't worry about that. I can't be bothered, to be quite honest with you, but if you want to, that's a really good way to make sure you've always got everything that you need. So thank you for watching. I hope this helps, and if I can help you with anything else, please visit me at stampersworkshop.com, and I'd be pleased to have the opportunity to earn your business. Thank you. Bye.